What's you got? Hey yo, what's up, you guys? It's your boy Major NoobTube here with another video. And sorry if I sound sniffly. I have a really bad cough. I think I might have the flu. I had a temperature of 103.6 this morning. I'm not feeling very well. I didn't really feel like making any videos this weekend, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Today we're gonna be doing DIY slime. I already made it, so I'm gonna turn back time to before I did the intro like this. So I'll see you then. Bye bye. Hey yo, what's up, you guys? It's your boy Major NoobTube here with another video. And today I might sound sniffly because I have the flu. I had a temperature of 103.6 this morning. I already told you this in I'm gonna tell you this later in cause I'm making so today's gonna be a DIY slime. I know it's kind of nerdy because no one really makes slime anymore. But I want to start. I bought some glue. I have borax. I have a little cup. It's gonna be green. Got a little cup to hold it in. And I'll be right back. I need to get something. Alright, so I'm back and I got everything ready. And I got a stir thing. It's kind of like a pen because we're gonna throw this out anyway because there's ink leaking. So I don't think anyone's gonna use it. Alright, so first off, I'm probably gonna epically fail at this, but I'm gonna try to come out of here, stand on the toilet like this, and yeah. Alright, so you get the glue. If you want to make slime, you should get glue all, because it has this texture thing in it that you're supposed to use or something. And you need Tupperware or a bowl or something to put the glue in. So I'm gonna put the glue in there. Should probably be enough. Oh, I just got glue all over my hands. That's great. Now I think before I add the water, I'm going to put the green in there. 2 drops probably, it's probably enough. Yeah, let's go. A little bit of water. Oh crap. Hold on. There. Probably enough water. Yeah, and then add borax, which just looks lethal, so I don't want to touch it. And start stirring. Oh yes, yeah, it's already forming. I can see the slime. Oh, it's gonna be terrible. It's gonna oh, there's ink leaking. It's terrible. Add a little bit more borax, I guess. Oh, this added way too much. Okay, this is kind of a fail. A huge blob of borax in there. I want to get that out, so. Oh, God, this is weird. It's like brains. Oh, crap. Alright, so I need to come right back because I think I just made a mistake, so I'll see you in a second. Okay, so we're back, and I completely messed up, terribly. Yeah. close look at this. It's terrible, so I think I'm just gonna throw this away. On account of how bad. On account of how bad it is. So yeah. Oh, that was so bad. Okay, sorry. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and as always, like, comment, subscribe. That was a DIY fail. And yeah, see you later. Bye bye.